It is important to note that not all areas of the refrigerator are created equal, and everything has its place. The refrigerator door is the warmest part of your refrigerator, so it's best to keep it to condiments, juices, and other foods that can take the changes in temperature only. The temperature at the upper shelves is the most consistent, and it's a great place to keep foods that don't need to be cooked. Hummus, drinks, leftovers, yogurt, and lunch meats are perfect examples. The lower shelves of your refrigerator are the coldest, making it the ideal place to store raw meat, eggs, seafood, and other dairy. It's also where you want to keep any raw ingredients. The drawers are set up to store produce and keep it moist, so that's where you'll want to store it. If you can, keep your veggies in one drawer and fruit in another. All refrigerators are not created equal, so this is only a guideline. Refrigerators should be kept at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. You might discover that the coldest part of your refrigerator is the top shelf. Adjust your strategy accordingly.